If you're a man over 60 and you've noticed things slowing down where it matters, less energy, cold mornings, fewer strong starts, pay attention. The issue isn't just age, it's your blood flow. The same system that once powered your drive, confidence, and passion is quietly slipping away. And here's the shocker. For many men, the fix wasn't a little blue pill or a doctor's note. It came from something most doctors overlook: just a teaspoon of oil taken the right way each morning. I'm Dr. MIT Carr, and for over 30 years, I've helped men across the country reclaim their strength, stamina, and self-respect. No gimmicks, no side effects, just nature working with your body, not against it. I get it sounds too simple, right? A teaspoon of oil. But once you understand how this boosts nitric oxide, fixes your blood vessels, and even supports testosterone, you'll see why this old-school morning ritual is changing men's lives well into their 70s and beyond. In this video, I'll break it down for you, the best oil for healing and the ones to avoid, why most men ruin their progress before they even start, and how to combine 3 easy habits to supercharge your circulation, focus, and confidence in under 10 minutes each morning. Stick with me, because what I'm about to share could bring back the flow, energy, and vitality you thought were gone for good. Before we dive in, if you haven't already, go ahead and hit subscribe and turn on notifications. That way, you won't miss any of my tips to help you regain your energy, blood flow, and confidence after 60. And if this message hits home, drop a 1 in the comments. If not, type 0. Your feedback helps me make better content for you. Alright, let's get started. Because to truly understand how this simple morning oil ritual works, we first need to talk about what's quietly happening inside your body after 60. And it's something most men don't even realize until it's already affecting their energy, their clarity, and their performance. I call it the hidden crisis, a slow but dangerous decline in circulation that steals your vitality from the inside out. The hidden crisis after 60. Why blood flow begins to fade. I still remember the moment one of my longtime patients, Frank, a 67-year-old retired engineer, sat across from me and said something that stuck with me ever since. "Doc, I don't feel sick, but I don't feel alive either." He wasn't in pain. He didn't have a major diagnosis, but something inside him was slipping, a quiet loss of vitality, confidence, and energy that he couldn't explain. And I knew exactly what was happening. What Frank was experiencing wasn't just aging. It was a silent, gradual decline in his blood flow, a process I've seen play out in thousands of men after 60. The truth is, your circulatory system is the engine that powers everything. Your energy, your focus, your strength, and yes, your performance in the bedroom. But over time, especially as we age, that engine starts to slow. Your blood vessels become stiff. The smooth, flexible walls that once allowed blood to flow freely begin to harden. Your body stops producing as much nitric oxide, the very molecule that helps blood vessels relax and open. The result: colder hands and feet, fatigue that hits earlier in the day, and a quiet but troubling change in your ability to feel like yourself as a man. Most men chalk it up to getting older. But I'm here to tell you, it doesn't have to be that way. Your body hasn't forgotten how to heal. It just needs the right tools and signals to wake back up. And that's exactly where this simple teaspoon of oil comes in. Because when taken the right way, it acts as a natural switch to reactivate blood flow from the inside out. Let me show you how it works. The morning ritual that reawakens blood flow. When I first heard about men taking a teaspoon of extra virgin olive oil on an empty stomach each morning to improve their circulation, I'll admit I was skeptical. I've built my career on science, clinical research, and evidence-based treatment. So, the idea that something so simple could make a meaningful difference, it sounded like wishful thinking. But then I started paying attention. I listened to my patients, men like Harold, 68, who quietly started the ritual after we spoke and came back weeks later, looking 5 years younger. He didn't need to say much. His energy spoke for itself. What began as a gentle experiment soon revealed something powerful. Men who followed this ritual consistently began noticing subtle, then significant shifts. They felt warmer in the mornings, more focused, more awake in their own skin, and perhaps most importantly, more responsive in moments of intimacy. And it wasn't just them. I decided to try it myself. Just 1 teaspoon of high-quality, polyphenol-rich olive oil before anything else in the morning, no coffee first, no food, just the oil. After a few days, I noticed I wasn't dragging through my morning routine. My thoughts were clearer. My body felt more primed. My wife noticed the change before I did. That's when I knew this wasn't a placebo. This was blood flow waking back up, and if you add a small squeeze of lemon or a tiny pinch of black pepper, you take it even further, activating your liver, improving nutrient absorption, and setting the stage for deep cellular repair. But here's the key: not all oils heal. In fact, most of what's on store shelves could be silently working against you. Let me show you exactly what to avoid and what your body truly needs. I'll never forget one late night in my office, buried in research papers, trying to figure out why this simple olive oil habit was making such a dramatic difference, not just for my patients, but for me too. The results weren't small. Men who had been sluggish, foggy, and withdrawn were suddenly sharper, warmer, and more confident. And it wasn't just about performance in the bedroom, it showed in their posture, their voice, their whole outlook on life. I had to understand the science. That's when I discovered the endothelium, the delicate lining of your blood vessels. This thin layer produces nitric oxide, the molecule that tells your arteries to relax and widen. When you're young, it works perfectly. But after 60, that lining stiffens, gets inflamed, and nitric oxide production plummets. That's when trouble starts. Poor circulation, cold hands and feet, low energy, and yes, weaker performance. But high-quality, extra virgin olive oil, especially the kind rich in polyphenols, does something incredible. It repairs endothelial function, reduces oxidative stress, the hidden damage that builds with age, and even stimulates Leydig cells, the ones that produce testosterone. One Italian study found men who regularly consumed this type of olive oil had higher testosterone and healthier blood vessels than those who didn't. This isn't about tricking your body, it's about giving it the right fuel to do what it's meant to do: heal, flow, and function like a man again. Science backs it, but hearing it from real men just like you is what really convinced me. Let me share a few stories that changed everything. Real men. Real results. There's nothing more powerful than hearing a man say, "I thought it was over, but now I feel like myself again." I've heard this countless times, spoken quietly, almost in disbelief, from men who had nearly given up hope. Not athletes or health nuts, just regular guys, fathers, grandfathers. Hardworking men who'd lost their spark, not because they were broken, but because no one had shown them how to get it back. Take Harold, 68, a retired teacher. When he first came to me, he was worn down. "Doc, it's not just the bedroom," he said. "It's everything. I feel like I'm disappearing." I had him start the ritual. 1 teaspoon of high polyphenol olive oil with lemon and warm water every morning. Simple. 2 weeks later, he called me, his voice lighter. I woke up clear-headed. My hands weren't cold. I rolled over to my wife, and things just worked. That meant more to him than any pill ever could. Then there was George, 72, a former truck driver with high blood pressure and years of frustration. He didn't want another prescription, he wanted to feel like a man again. Within a month of sticking to the ritual, everything changed: his energy, his posture, his confidence. At his follow-up, his wife pulled me aside and whispered, "Thank you for giving me my husband back." These aren't rare miracles. They're proof that when you give your body what it needs, it responds. But here's the catch: most men do it wrong. Let me show you how to avoid the biggest mistakes. Stack the ritual, boost circulation even further. Once you've committed to the olive oil ritual each morning, something shifts. You begin to feel it slowly at first, like your body is remembering how to come alive again. But here's where things get exciting. When you add just a few focused practices right after the oil, everything starts to work faster. The results deepen, the energy builds. It's like your entire system starts sinking back into rhythm the way it used to. One of the most powerful additions I teach my patients is something called 4-2-6 breathing. You inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 2, then exhale slowly for 6. Just 2 or 3 minutes of this simple rhythm calms your nervous system, opens your blood vessels, and puts your body into a healing state. I've had men tell me they feel clearer, more grounded, even emotionally steadier within days of starting. Then, there's what I call the power stance. Stand tall, hands on your hips, feet shoulder-width apart, and take a few deep breaths. Sounds simple, right? But this one position actually lowers cortisol, the stress hormone, and helps gently boost testosterone. More than anything, it reminds you of your strength. It reconnects you with that quiet confidence that age can sometimes steal. And finally, a short morning walk. Just 10 minutes outside in the sunlight can do wonders. It wakes up your muscles, gets nitric oxide flowing, and sets the tone for your entire day. These aren't workouts. They're signals, reminders to your body that it's time to perform, time to circulate, time to live fully again now. You might be wondering, is this really just about better blood flow? Or could this ritual be affecting something even deeper, something tied to the core of who you are as a man? Let's explore that next, the bigger picture. This is about more than erections. When most men start this ritual, they're focused on one thing: getting their performance back. And that's a perfectly valid reason. I get it. Feeling like you've lost that part of yourself can be painful in a way that's hard to talk about. But what's amazed me over the years is how often the men I work with end up discovering something even more powerful, because as circulation improves, something else begins to return, not just function, but identity. One of my patients, Alan, a 70-year-old former business owner, told me something I'll never forget. "Doc, I came to you to fix things below the belt. But after 3 weeks, I feel like my brain turned back on." And that's exactly what happens. Improved blood flow doesn't just affect one part of your body, it fuels your entire system. Your heart, your brain, your hormones, all of it runs on oxygen-rich blood. And when you restore that flow, everything begins to change. Suddenly, you're sleeping deeper, waking up with more energy, thinking more clearly, you start moving differently, speaking with more presence, reconnecting with your partner in ways you hadn't felt in years, and perhaps most importantly, you begin to feel like yourself again, not just in private, but in everyday life. That quiet confidence returns. The steady energy, the sense of purpose. This isn't just about intimacy. It's about reclaiming your place in the world as a man who still has strength, clarity, and drive to offer. That's why this ritual is so much more than it seems. It's a doorway back to the man you remember being. But even with all these benefits, it only works if you do it the right way. And sadly, most men are unknowingly sabotaging their results from day one. Let me show you how to avoid that. Final words. 1 teaspoon can change your life. After walking alongside thousands of men over the past 30 years, I've learned something powerful. Your body wants to heal. Even after 60, even if you felt numb, tired, disconnected for years deep down, your body still remembers how to come alive again. You just have to give it the right signal. And sometimes that signal is as simple as a single teaspoon each morning. This ritual may look small from the outside, but don't let its simplicity fool you. When you choose the right oil, take it on an empty stomach, stay consistent, and pair it with a few mindful habits, you're sending a clear message to your body: I'm ready to come back. That 1 teaspoon becomes more than just a routine. It becomes a promise to yourself to return to strength, to clarity, to confidence. I've watched men walk into my office discouraged and, just weeks later, stand taller, speak with more power, and smile with a quiet sense of pride. Their wives notice, their friends notice, but more importantly, they notice because the man they thought they had lost, the one who felt sharp, capable, and fully present, starts coming back. This isn't about chasing youth or pretending you're 20 again. It's about reclaiming the strength of the man you are now with all the wisdom and fire you still carry. And it starts with one small step. So now the question is, are you ready to begin? Because in the final moments of this video, I want to leave you with something that could shift your next chapter entirely, and remind you that your best days might still be ahead. Your best years aren't behind you. Your energy, strength, and sharpness, they're still there. They've just been waiting for the right move, and sometimes, all it takes is one small change to wake them back up. Today, you saw how poor blood flow after 60 drains your energy, numbs your hands and feet, and clouds your focus. But you also learned a simple fix: just 1 teaspoon of the right olive oil first thing in the morning. It revives circulation, boosts nitric oxide, and even helps testosterone levels all naturally. You've heard the stories. Real men who tried this and felt stronger, sharper, and more alive. You know the mistakes to avoid and the 3 easy habits that make it work even better. But here's the truth, nothing changes until you do. I've seen men turn their lives around with this tiny daily step, and I've seen others wait and wonder what if. 1 teaspoon won't change everything overnight, but it's your first move, proof you're still fighting. So what's it gonna be? Will today be your day? Because your story isn't over yet, and you might be shocked at how much fire is still left in you.